seeds and carob, a dynamic duo rich in gifts for the human body. Black seeds, often coined as the seed of blessing, carry a slew of fatty acids and vitamins, forming a formidable defense against inflammation. Got a sniffle or a persistent cough? Black seeds come swooping in like your favorite superhero. Now meet Carob, the underdog that's been quietly climbing the ranks in the wellness sphere. Carob kicks in essential minerals and fiber, making it an excellent aid for digestive issues. As a caffeine-free alternative to chocolate, Carob pleases your sweet tooth without jacking up your heart rate. When combined, these two powerhouses create an amalgam that fortifies your health from multiple angles, amplifying both vigor and vitality. A potent mix, wouldn't you agree? Ingredients: black seeds, carob. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.